quality, safety, and compliance professionals. Are you ready? The next big thing is here. Imagine your processes digitalized, optimized, and seamlessly integrated. With Cloudtheapp, you can guarantee the highest quality and safety for your products, ensuring they meet all standards and regulations seamlessly. Elevate your production process with unparalleled compliance and reliability. Experience the unmatched configurability of Cloudtheapp, the most intuitive platform available. Deploy and tailor applications precisely to your processes with exceptional convenience and flexibility. Harness the power of AI with Cloudtheapp Thunder, our unrivaled AI assistant. Build applications that digitalize your processes effortlessly using natural language instructions or by feeding your requirements in any format. Unlock powerful insights with integrated real-time analytics. Create dynamic visualizations and dashboards to track trends, enhance understanding, and drive continuous improvement in quality and safety. Cloudtheapp, the AI-powered platform, offers an extremely configurable solution with more than 50 applications in quality, safety, and compliance. Transform your journey and request your demo today.